Hello and welcome back to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to prove that area of an equilateral triangle equal root 3 by 4 a square if all three sides equal to a. Like this is the equilateral triangle ABC. In this all these three sides equal to a, because we know equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. So if all these three sides are equal to a, we have to prove that area equal root 3 by 4 a square. Today I am going to prove it using the Heron's formula. So for Heron's formula, first I need the perimeter of this triangle. And we know perimeter equal sum of all three sides. So if I am going to add all these three sides, I will get 3a. Now I need semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. So I got 3a by 2. Now I need s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Now s we got 3a by 2 and minus a, b, c, and all these three sides are equal, that is a. So minus a, again 3a by 2 minus a, we'll get all three same thing. Now if I simplify this one, s minus a, whatever the answer will come, the same answer I am going to write for s minus b and s minus c. So I am going to do a little simple simplification. I am going to simplify this one. 3a by 2 minus a, so I can write a by 1. 2 and 1. The LCM is 2. So I got 3a minus a into 2, I got 2a and by 2. So what I got? I got a by 2. So it means s minus a equal a by 2. Same thing I will get for s minus b, that is also a by 2, and this also a by 2. If you remember Heron's formula, area equal root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and we have s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Just copy it, and after this I am going to use it Heron's formula to prove this one. Now we got s, that is 3a by 2, and s minus a equal s minus b equal s minus c, that is a by 2. Now I am going to use the Heron's formula. To find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So it's going to be s, we have 3a by 2 into s minus a equal s minus c equal s minus c. So for all these three, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, I am going to write a by 2, a by 2, a by 2 into a by 2. This is a square root. So we know what we do to find the square root. We make a pair of the same number, similar numbers, and for one pair, one number will come out. Now we have a pair of a, 1 time 2 time. So for this 2 time a, 1a will come out. Again for this 2 time a, 1a will come out, and root 3 will be inside. For this 2 time 2, 1 2 will come out. Again for this 2 time 2, 1 2 will come out. Now if I simplify this, I got a into a square, root 3, and 2 into 2 we got 4. And same thing, root 3 by 4 a square or root 3 by 4 a square, both are same. So what we did? We did if in an equilateral triangle all the three sides equal a, then area is going to be root 3 by 4 a square or a square root 3 by 4. And I don't think this is going to be difficult if you watch this video. Hope you're going to like the video, and if any doubt you have regarding this video, you can ask your doubt in the comment box. If any other doubt also you have, you can ask in the comment box, and if you like the video, please give some feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching.